we're standing in front of the Fender Flare molds. And where do you get these molds from? Who makes the molds
We make
for
them
you?
in-house. We have a tool place.
You make all the molds here?
All the tools are made here.
Wow, that's impressive.
Yeah. Yes.
So right from design, everything is all done on site?
Everything. We go from basic CAD to advanced CAD to prototyping, milling. We create the tools here.
So the sheet is going to be put in the mold. It's going to be heated, pressed, and then where does it go from here?
To trimming. We have 2 trimming stations.
Okay.
Robotic trimming.
Those are the robots. We're going to go off that.
And then after that, we paint them.
All right. Well, let's go see the trimming process, shall we?
Okay, sure.
Thank you. So the Fender Flares have come out of the mold. We're at the trimming station. All the thermoplastic parts require trimming, correct?
Yes, you have to.
Now you have that machine over there. It's 1/100th of a millimeter.
Yes, it's super precise.
That is amazing.
Yes, it's amazing.
And all of the thermoplastic, you use one source for plastic. Is that locally you source that, or?
We source that from Cenoplast.
Cenoplast.
It's an Austrian company which has a beautiful facility in Mexico.
Cenoplast in Austria does a lot of OE supply out.
Mostly OEs.
Okay, yeah.
They are really big business in the US. Yeah.
That's the best quality of thermoplastic.
Yes, you cannot buy better material than Cenoplast.
This is the biggest reason I wanted to do business and sell Airdesign products. They were the only one to solve a big problem we were having at the dealership, and that is the Fender Flares wearing and sanding through the paint right down to the metal. They have this patented Superbolt design where on the other side it is actually applied with automotive adhesive. And Carlos, how did you come up with that idea?
Well, I was visiting the hospital and I noticed that they were sticking things to the body. So I had to come up with an idea to be able to fix mechanically the top of the Fender Flare to the body without making one single hole. So I said, okay, let's develop something that sticks into the fender, and then with a nice thread, we can screw and attach and deattach the part as many times as needed.
It's a brilliant, and you know, I can't compliment you enough on that. I'm going to point out that this adhesive on this pad is blue, and everything here else is red, which we all know is 3M adhesive. Airdesign is a big user of 3M and a distributor for 3M, in fact, here in Mexico. But tell me why this adhesive is blue and not the red pattern.
It was out of necessity. With 3M, we couldn't have a proper attachment to the new body systems, body paint systems that are ceramic. So we had to come up with something else because we were having
trouble. Now the ceramic, you're talking about that low surface tension paint?
Low surface tension, that's right.
All right, and so that adhesive wasn't sticking to it?
We look all over to find the best solution. With a proper primer, you will not have any trouble, whatever the paint.
Well, that's fantastic.
Yeah.
Well, let's go on to shipping, and we'll see the product on the way to your door soon, hopefully. I'll tell you, we sure love it. So there you have it. Now it's a little easier for you to buy your own. If you're a dealer or licensed shop in Canada, just contact your local Keystone sales rep and they'll get you all hooked up. If you're a Ford dealer, you can buy the licensed Ford product anywhere in Canada or the United States. Or if you're a mod shop or other dealer in the US, just contact Airdesign USA and they'll take care of you.